Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix apps crashing or freezing on your TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. So first, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and clear the app storage and its data. So we can do that by unlocking our phone. Once we unlock our phone, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go to settings. So I'm already in the settings here. What are we gonna do is we're gonna scroll down to apps and we're gonna click on apps. Now here we can click on view all apps and we select the app that's crashing for us. So I'll choose camera. Here I'll go to storage and cache and we're gonna click on clear storage. Now click on delete. And as you guys can see now, the user data and cache is 0 bytes, so there's nothing. And what are we gonna do next is we're gonna go over, and so we're not gonna leave entirely, we're just gonna go back to app info. Here we're gonna tap on force stop and click OK. And now we can try and, of course, if your app is from Google Play Store, you can try and update it by going into Play Store, your name. Now you go to manage apps and device, go to updates available, and here you click on update all. Once you do that, you're gonna go over back to your app, and as you guys can see, it will work just fine. We got every single mode working, so the zoom is working, you can even see it, and that's basically how you guys can do it. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.